Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So previously we talked about what is consumer interface and what kind of operation we can perform through here. So it just takes input and performs some operation. That's it. We won't get anything as a result. Okay, so in this video we will write some some examples to see how we can use it. So we're going back here, close this previous one, expanding project src, and let's create a new package. So right click on the root package, new package dot, and I'll call this consumer demo. Okay, package is ready. Now let's create one class, new class. um, let's just say print. Okay, print the input. Let's do this from the simple thing. So whatever input we will give, it will just print it. Okay, that's the task. Okay, so let's have main method, and I have to create a lambda expression for that. So for that we will do what? We will create a reference for consumer type, consumer. There it is. It says I need to give type. So for now, let's create one consumer for integer values. It will take all integers. So let's say C1. I'll create one consumer for string as well. Okay, then I have to give a type. So let's say I for integer, then arrow sign, and as I said, the method will print. I mean, the class is all about printing. So let's say sys and I. That's it. Okay, let's test it. So we already have a reference C1 dot, the method name is accept. There it is, and it's clearly saying asking for integer. So let me give 10. Okay, done. And let's run the code. So when it calls accept, the implementation says take the input and print it here. So it will simply print 10. That's it. Application, and yep, 10 is here. We can do the same here for other types. Let's say I want to create one more consumer, and let's say going for string. Let's say c2 equals and s arrow this out, and then here I will say s, because that's what I want to print. So s. Okay, done. So my next lambda expression is also ready for consumer. Then I can say c2 dot accept. So it accepts some input, and then let's pass something. Let's say CloudRaga. Okay, done. And then what? Let's execute it. So right click, run as application, and there we go. So it's printing the strings, and plus it was earlier printing integers. So okay, that's how it works. I mean, that's one of the simplest implementation of consumer side. So we were just printing it. Let's take it one step further. I will pass one object, and accordingly we'll do that. So what I can do, I can create one, let's say consumer, and this time it's taking map of string, and this is also going to be string type. Okay, let's call this consumer map, anything you can call it. I'm just calling it consumer map, and then a reference, should be camel case, capital M. Just say map, and then arrow sign, and then I can, otherwise what I can just print this thing, and the thing stuffs where it can be also possible. So I can say sys out here and say map, right? Just need to pass the map, and there we go. It's just one statement, so even I don't need this whole statement. It can be done, and then call this consumer map dot accept, and I need to create a map. So let's say new hash map, one line. I'm not going to get object like passing anything, and just execute it. So we will get some blank, right? We don't have any element. So that's how you can proceed further with the consumers. So in next video we will try to use consumer with other function interfaces. So thanks to you guys. Let's meet in next video.